Hey everyone, welcome back. We're gonna be making a chocolate mug cake today. So we're gonna start off with 4 tablespoons of flour. Doesn't have to be exact measurements. I know it's baking and typically you wanna make it exact, but use what you got. So 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Let's throw that together. Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Again, just try to level it off, doesn't have to be exact. Once you got the cocoa powder in there, we're gonna move on to baking powder. So around 1/4 teaspoon. Then we move to an oil, something neutral like a vegetable oil, and we're gonna want 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So once that's in, we're gonna move on to a little bit of water. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of water. Try not to spill it like I did. A pinch of salt. Very important, some vanilla, just pour a little bit in there. And I like chocolate chips, so I threw a little bit in and just give it a stir. Now I'm using a bowl. You can do it straight in the mug if you want. But we want to stir it just enough so that these ingredients come together. I like chocolate chips. I'm actually gonna grab another handful and pour them in. It's not gonna ruin the taste at all. It's just gonna make it better. So once it's just incorporated and all the flour has basically been absorbed and everything's mixed, grab your trusty mug and we just want to scoop it in. Now again, as I said, you can make it straight in the mug, but for this video I wanted to show you it through this bowl. It's a little bit easier to see. So lightly pack it down just a little bit and pop it in the microwave on high for around 60 to 90 seconds. So there we are, it's all done. It's risen a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and spoon it in. And the nice thing about this mug cake versus some of the other ones that I've seen is it's not dry, and I think it has to do with all of that oil. But it's not dry, it's nice, moist, tastes delicious, and you can just keep eating it, every day if you want. It's perfect for if you're just home alone, don't want to go to the store, and you just want, something sweet and chocolatey to have for dessert, or breakfast, I guess. So that's it, it's mug cake. You can make it in under 2 minutes. Probably have all the ingredients at home and it tastes delicious. So enjoy.